Go.
Hey!
Hey everybody, how's it going? We're back. Welcome to the Horror Skwaad Christmas Spooktacular.
Happy holidays.
We're gonna drink until we stink.
We've got a creek water on the menu today.
It's a good thing it didn't fly out of your hand.
I'm glad I didn't.
I would have done that.
Creek water.
Creek water, is this bourbon or whiskey? And is it on a budget?
I think it's on a budget. Yeah, I think it was only.
Don't say the price yet.
Don't say the price
like,
yet.
oh, we're not gonna go. Okay.
Booze.
How do you open it?
Oh, we gotta get some plastic off.
Oh, wait.
You know what I like about this bottle?
Hmm?
This is a reusable bottle.
Ooh.
You can finish the whiskey and then actually fill it with water and then, you know, like reclose it and put it in the fridge and it can be like some cold water for
Yeah,
later.
it's got that cool top.
Yeah, I like that. That's a nice little reusable thing. I also like that there's very little information to read about this.
Yeah, there's not a
whiskey.
lot. It says creek water, and it's got like that semi-rustic yet metal kind of like font going on. And then it says American whiskey distilled from a bourbon mash
Bourbon mash.
and finished with toasted wood chips. That
Toast.
sounds pretty good. Toasted wood chips and no nuts.
Toasty, toasty.
100 proof. Then it's got these little See, I tried to make the Horror
The
Squad logo like
stars?
that with like the little,
Ooh.
you know, the little lightning bolts.
I like that idea.
Let's do it.
You know?
But all right,
That's-
how do you open it?
Let's try it up.
Oh, like that. Oh, smell it.
Boom.
What does it smell like?
Definitely smells like 100 proof. Yeah. Oh.
It smells like cough syrup. All right, you ready?
I'm into it. Let's go.
All right. It's glucking
Glug,
already, and I didn't
glug,
even
glug,
pour it.
glug.
Oh, is that too much?
Ooh. No, that's perfect. You could have gone a little bit more, to be honest with you. Just a little.
I like how it makes the noise when you're not even.
You don't have to
It
make
doesn't
the
even
noise.
pour it. It's like.
doesn't pour it.
All right, you ready?
Ready.
All right, let's smell it
Cheer-
again.
Oh. I mean, I can smell the wood chips. I can smell what they're talking about with the wood chips.
Toasted wood chips.
You know?
We're gonna get splinters in our tongue.
Yeah.
All right, clink it,
Cheers.
bump it, and dump it.
Go.
I don't want to do this either.
Do it.
I don't want to do it.
Why not? Just try a little bit.
Okay. We're drinking.
I like that label.
Sierra's impressed by the label. We are drinking Creek Water, American whiskey distilled from a bourbon mash and finished with toasted wood chips. What the fuck? It's in a growler. It's a growler, right? That's it. Other than a Surgeon General warning. I don't know how to open growler.
Yeah, there you go.
Okay. Huh?
Yeah.
You want more?
No, I'm good.
I'm not actually smoking this cigar, so I probably have a bunch of tobacco in my teeth.
No.
Oh well. Okay.
Creek water? 100 proof. Oh, wow. Merry Christmas.
Fuck Christmas.
Yeah.
Um,
Do the hello.
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 Welcome.
Welcome to Horror Squads.
Yep.
Bourbon on a budget.
Booze.
Booze on a budget.
We're encompassing all booze.
Yeah, we drank a lot of tequila this summer, so we decided to branch out from bourbon.
Yeah, we kind of painted ourselves into a corner.
Yeah.
A bourbon corner, which is not bad.
No.
But we like all types of booze.
Yeah, we do.
Maybe we might even drink some beer here
Oh,
at some point.
yeah, we like beer.
So,
So we're gonna branch out and drink more drinks. Mainly, also because Brian doesn't really like whiskey.
yeah.
He likes mixed drinks. So we're gonna do some of those fruity cocktails for Brian. Right,
Let's
Brian?
drink some stuff I don't like.
Yeah. Daiquiris.
Mm-hmm.
I like those frozen drinks that make your head hurt.
I don't like pina coladas.
Oh, so good. It's been pretty
What
good.
is it? Something after midnight?
Getting caught in the rain.
Getting cold in the rain.
So today we're drinking Creek Water, which is an American whiskey, but it's made from a bourbon mash. I don't know what a bourbon mash is. I know
I feel like it's
Jack
like
Daniels is made from a
Jack
mash,
Daniels.
like a sour mash. They told him you can't make good bourbon from mash. He said, "I'll do it," and then he did.
This comes out of Durham, North Carolina.
Oh, well, I grew up right down the road from Durham in Chapel Hill.
That's cool.
I didn't know they could make whiskey. I thought they just made tobacco.
It's 100 proof.
Poof.
It's 100 proof.
It's good.
Proof.
50% alcohol.
Let's give it a shot.
Mm-hmm.
I like, having to snap that top off. It's got a good feel. I don't know what I think about that smell.
Durham, home of Duke University.
Mm-hmm. Bull Durham.
Oh, yeah, I used to go see Bull Durham play. They're called the Durham Bulls, though, in real life. They were fun.
Tim Robbins.
He never played.
Who else? Kevin Costner.
I had the lady that was really hot.
Susan Sarandon.
Yeah, Susan Sarandon. Woo! Really good, and yeah, it's good. So what do you think?
It's kind of got that barley.
Oh, just a hint.
Smell.
Like a hint of it. I don't know what that means.
Well,
Cheers.
give it a shot.
I get to pump it.
I don't know.
Ooh. Woo. I let that hit my tongue a little too long, and it burned. Woo.
It's definitely a strong whiskey. You can definitely tell it's 100 proof. It's almost like a strange, like, wood taste, though. It's like,
I don't taste any wood.
no?
I can't taste the wood burning chips. Toasted wood chips at all.
Okay, maybe I just a little bit more. Let's find out. Maybe I just shock value.
Oh,
I don't know why it tastes fruity.
fruit.
Maybe it's the creek water. I don't.
The literal creek water.
Maybe they
Oh God.
made this out of legitimate creek water. 'Cause
Yeah, I don't taste the flavor, but it hit me like in the back of the like right in the back of the tongue, and then on the sides where your little what are those things that like dangle down next to your little dangler?
Dangle, dangle.
Yeah, the little dangle on the back.
I feel like they went for astringent more than flavor.
Yeah, they were going for like we're gonna
Like,
sting your mouth
you
more
know-
than, but not too stingy, but like for a split second it stings, then it's nice and warm as it goes down. But in terms of flavor, I'm not tasting any toasted wood
Like,
chips.
yeah.
I really wanted to taste some toasted wood chips.
Yeah, because that's really the only information that they gave you, that it was toasted with wood chips. Not in wood chips, but with it. So maybe it's just extremely astringent. I mean, if you're looking
It's a cool bottle
to
though.
So
go...
Liz, what do you think for the price? How much was it? What do you think for the price?
Oh. Yeah. This shit might as well be moonshine.
Yeah, I would not recommend it.
What flavors do you get?
Lots.
Moon.
I mean, but moonshine's even smoother than that.
Good one.
Good one, yeah. Ugh. Tastes like heartburn.
Yeah.
Probably should have eaten something before doing
You did last night.
Yeah. And it burns
It burns.
everywhere.
Yes. It is not smooth.
It's not smooth. It's got a lot of flavor, which is probably from the wood chips that they mixed in with the mash when they boiled it. I mean, I don't know. says it's finished with toasted wood chips. So does that mean that
What kind of wood?
they don't say it just says wood chips? There's probably some shit out back. Granddad's farm.
Can you smell the wood?
I cannot smell
out of the liquor.
I cannot. It's got a weird nose on it.
I didn't even smell it before.
Liz. Is Liz in there? Liz, what the fuck?
Oh yeah, that's that barley. We're calling it a barley kind of note. It's sort of like a, or is it rye? Some sort of grain that's not typically in most bourbons. We've picked it up in a couple of things. Couple of different-
Scotch. Yeah.
Kind of has a slight, like it's in scotches. We've picked it up in a couple of bourbons and a couple of whiskeys. There's this hit. I don't know what it is. I just call it barley. So maybe there's some barley in this. It was a little.
It's spicy.
It's a little spicy right at
Well,
the
hot.
front, but it's not burning my insides. It didn't burn a slow ride down and give me
Yeah, it just kind of happened.
happen and
Yeah, it's
disappear. Has a little bit of a metallic after finish on my tongue, but that could just be the palate. It's not overly sweet.
I just taste that what we're calling barley.
Yeah, it has
I don't know what it is,
it's
but
a mystery barley, maybe rye. We'll say barley though.
I mean, if you're looking to get lit for a good, can I say the price on this? It was about like $28. $28.
It's not too bad.
You know, to
I mean, if you're really looking for something to burn your mouth and you're getting a little,
buzz quick.
buzz, if you want to get bit as quick as possible,
It could work.
then I guess. But I mean, I don't know. We just.
But I
tried
don't
it,
think
so.
you're going for flavor on this one. I
Yeah.
think you're going for.
If you want to get bit hard and not taste it, then
Th-
get some of that. What is this called again?
creek water.
Creek water.
Might be a good cocktail whiskey.
Good.
Yeah, it
You
could be a
know,
little
like a
good
good
mixer.
mixer, like a good mixer whiskey. Like you can make a good cocktail out of this. But this isn't. I don't feel like it's a sipping whiskey. But I mean, I like it.
Would
'cause
you
it's
put it on
whiskey. I like whiskey.
Some ice.
I
in a
would.
cube, and maybe you can see.
You
some
know
of the
what?
flavors.
Actually, like a little watered down might not be bad.
Yeah.
Yeah, little cube, little cube, big cube in it.
Might be able to taste some of those toasty chips.
Get it down to 60% alcohol content, maybe it'll taste a little bit better. But straight up 100 proof. Woo!
Some strong stuff, kids. I mean, adults. Adults.
Yeah.
Only adults.
Adults only.
21. and up.
Adults only. 25 and up.
You're not allowed to pick the bourbons anymore.
So what do you think for $28?
No.
No. God bless it. No, no, I didn't even finish mine. Somebody else can finish that. It's still burning in my gut.
It's terrible.
It's pretty bad.
So that's a no from both of you?
That's a hard no.
how much was this?
28.
28.
Liz got this for $28, which is right in the range of, I mean, that's a good price range nowadays. Because, I mean, you can go below 20 and there's some things like Dickel's and,
It's 100 proof.
yeah.
I mean, so it's gonna get you.
It's from a
You're trying to
small
get.
maker. Does it say anything about if it's Durham? Doesn't say anything about Indiana. So they probably made it all in-house. Like it's not batch pre-started, I'm assuming.
I don't
That's
hate
kinda
it,
cool. Yeah, I like North Carolina. I don't go back because of the law.
but I
But
also don't love it.
yeah, don't hate it, don't love it. It's sort of a neutral.
Yeah.
I'd drink it, but I wouldn't order it, maybe. And if I saw it, I probably would buy something else, like a Larceny or a what else?
Elijah Craig.
Elijah Craig is, or yeah. Like that.
I mean, if you're looking for,
in that
bourbon.
range. I mean, $28.
but you know, this
not
is
expensive.
this is a whiskey.
Yeah,
It's probably made for shooting.
yeah.
I think if you're looking to get drunk
Yeah.
and rowdy,
Yeah. It'd be good for
maybe
rowdy.
pick yourself up a bottle.
Yeah, I could see Yelling
And
Creek water a lot.
Slam
Drunk.
some 100 proof shots.
It's a good punching whiskey.
Because it'll get you there.
Yeah, it'll get you there. Good job. Done.